shortest, okay? So it points to the hours, and the hours are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It points to the hours. Right, this is the minute hand. It is longer than the hour hand. It's longer. And this moves quicker. It moves every minute. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Yeah. But when it moves to there, it's 5 minutes. When it moves all the way around, how long is that? 60 minutes is 1. Oh, 60 minutes is 1 hour. Yeah, good job. 1 hour. A minute hand is pointing to 12. So this is the minute hand, the long one, pointing to 12. It is showing a full hour. We call this time old clock. Not really. Old clock means telling the time of the clock. Right? That means you use something to tell the time. And this is old clock. So what time is this? It's the hour. Let's go to 3. 3, not 1, 3. 3, and this is old clock. So what time is it? 3 o'clock. Good job. Uzu, you're next, I think. Hope we're going to look to there. It is 3 o'clock. Okay. Uzu, your turn. Uzu, your turn. Okay. I know. You know. Okay. So this one is 11. 11. No. 11. And this one is old clock. So what time is it? 11. And this is old clock. What time is it? Jong Jong. Like that. 11 old clock. Good job. 11 o'clock. You want one? I don't know how many there. It is 11 o'clock. Right then, this one's yours. Auntie, what time is that?
6 o'clock.
Yeah? Can you see that, Uzu? The hour is at 6. And then, yes. And this is old clock, so it's 6 o'clock. Do you see that, Jong Jong? 6 o'clock, yes? Good.
6 o'clock.
Yeah, it's not 6. Shh. Uzu's go. Uzu, the hour is at 12 and the minute is 4 o'clock. So what time is it? No, again? 12. The hour is at 12. Can you say 12? 12. 12. 12. Again. Louder, louder. 12. Good. 12 o'clock. 12